doing, Ted?
There's spirits in our building. There's spirits in this tank. This is sage.
Why?
We're not bad spirits. This is sacrilege. We're not any bad spirits.
Why do you think there's bad spirits here?
Remember, we have ghosts here. Pop, 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 let me close. Oh God, this Audi needs it. There's a lot of rats in it. I see more.
Where'd you get that?
Oh, is that Whole Foods? Okay, I can get rid of that stinky smell here.
Actually, can you? Can you get rid of that?
Hey, what tribe would you get that? Was it blessed by narcos?
Where the heck do they have that hole?
Any spirits down here?
Yes, Ted. It's saging off, bro.
So why now?
Just in case we have any bad spirits or bugs.
So we had a paranormal encounter a couple days ago. Just watch.
Had an incident with the ghosts. The trunk's been opening and closing itself. I'm having network trouble, so.
Ghosts can interfere with electromagnetic interferences. Guys, this trunk was opening and closing by itself.
Let me close.
Oh man.
Am I supposed to sing while I do this? No, please don't.
Hey Dustin, you can save that, right? Like you don't have to burn the whole thing. Like you can like put it out and then reuse it, right?
Never saged anything.
Bro, I never saged off, bro.
I thought something that your people did.
My people?
Yeah, Joe Exotic people.
Joe Exotic people don't sage, bro.
Wow, look at these. Got some really cool off-road looking wheels for a G-Wagon. You guys might remember the G-Wagon. It's the brown one that we did with the safari stuff and the ladder. It's coming back in because we're gonna be installing these on it. It's gonna look really good. Here are the rest of them that Tyler just did. Waiting for TPMS sensors. We'll pop the bead, go and then install them. Now that we got the G-Wagon back in, it's time for us to finish the mount and balance. I really like the vibe of this G-Wagon. New wheels are put on and they really complement the other mods that we did to this. Gives it that off-road safari vibe to the whole thing, especially with that ladder in the back, which looks really cool. 22-inch Formula Revolution wheels on 33-inch Terra Grappler tires. I really like how the red calipers are sort of hidden in the back, but because of the little circle openings in the wheel, you can really see kind of peek out from behind. So it's kind of neat, you know? It's not so in your face, which I feel is really appropriate for this build, since this is not like a flashy G-Wagon build. It's more like a functional feel to the whole setup. And of course, flush fitment front and rear. I really like that spoke design has that classic off-road vibe to it. Looks really mean and tough.
Why does that surprise you so much?
It's just so funny. You just look
How's
like
it funny?
it just looks funny.
You have to be comfortable or your work will show.
Unfortunately, he has no shoes today. Sean basically has shoes here in his toolbox, but apparently he can't find them, so...
Sorry, I got my chanclas.
La chancla.
My chanclas.
La chancla.
Chanclas.
Chancla. Yeah, it's a slipper.
Mom calls his elk have chancla.
What?
Because it's comfortable and unassuming. Yes. But if you're not looking, it'll whip you in the...
Supra is back in. What are we doing?
Putting your resonator on.
Last time I was in, we did an AWE tuning catback with a non-resonator setup. The non-resonator version is a little too raspy for the client, so we're gonna switch that out to the resonator version of this, so hopefully it won't be so raspy. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, the matte textured bronze HF5s look really freaking good. I like it a lot. Ah, so there we go. The resonator.
Yeah, go ahead and tighten those.
done with the installation of the new exhaust setup. Are you ready, son?
It's definitely deeper.
Yeah,
It's deeper for sure.
And even the cold start is quieter.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Like, it kind of sounded congested inside the car before, if
Yeah.
that makes sense, but now it's just like, it sounds good.
Yeah, that raspiness is gone.
And I think it is nice that it's not quite as loud.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend the resonated version over the non-resonated. It's a little bit quieter, but the tone is so much better. Highly recommend it. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.